Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into the process of developing a content calendar on teamwork.com. This guide is fully updated for 2025, so rest assured you're getting the latest information. First things first, you need to log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create it. It's crucial to have an account as it provides the platform where you will be developing your content calendar. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Calendar tab. This is found on your dashboard, the hub of your teamwork.com account. The reason we do this is because we're setting a foundation for our content planning. This is where we'll be scheduling all of your content, so it's vital to familiarize yourself with this area. Now that we're in the Calendar tab, it's time to create a new calendar. Click on the New Calendar button. This helps us because it provides a blank canvas for us to start developing our content calendar. Remember, each calendar you create should align with different content strategies or different teams in your organization. After you've created your new calendar, the next step is to start adding content. To do this, click on the Add Event button. Let me explain why this matters. Each event represents a piece of content. By adding events, you're essentially building your content schedule. You can detail each event with the content's title, assigned team member, due date, and more. Next up, it's time to start scheduling your content. Click on the date you want your content to go live and drag your event to that date. This is a critical step because this is where you decide the timing of each piece of content. A well-timed piece of content can significantly improve engagement and reach. And lastly, remember to save your calendar. The reason we do this is to ensure all the hard work we've just put into planning and scheduling doesn't go to waste. Saving your calendar also allows you to share it with your team, promoting transparency and collaboration. And there you have it. You've just developed a content calendar on teamwork.com. This process allows you to visually see your content strategy, making it easier to plan, schedule, and collaborate. Thanks for watching. And remember, the key to great content is great planning.